Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw the strawberry Kittiroll from Anirollz. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here and draw my basic dumpling shape. So I'm going to draw this big curve at the top. And then now that I have this big wide curve, I'm going to bring it out. And it's always kind of wider towards the sides. So just like this big dumpling, big mochi. And then I'm going to start to bring it in about right here. And kind of round it off and then just connect it at the bottom. Flatten it up. About right here. And connect. There, nice round mochi, right? Okay, so now that I have this shape in, let's go ahead and come to the sides right here and we're going to draw these big ears. So about right here, I'm just going to go up, kind of round it off on the tip and bring it in. And let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across. Just approximate, so I'm kind of in the same area. And I'll drag this point across. About right here. And do the same thing. So round it off and then bring it down. There. Okay, so now that I have the ears in, let's go ahead and bring this little Kittiroll to life. So towards the bottom area right here, I'm going to say about in this area, towards the center, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this little nose right in the center. So I'll give myself a little curve about right there. And draw this little kitty nose. Then we're going to come down the center with a line and then curve out on both sides. There. And you can cap it off if you like. And then let's come back to the sides about right here in this area. And I'm going to start about right here. Just easier for my hand. And I'll just draw a circle right about here. And then let's do the same thing on the other side about right here. If it's easier for you to draw the eyes first and then the nose, you can definitely do that. Whatever makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead and since you're big enough, I think I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And so now the eyes in, let's go ahead and above each eye, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. Aww. And then of course some whiskers. So about right here, let's go ahead and just draw two whiskers. Thicken it up a little bit. And maybe another one here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And here. There. And then of course we're missing something, right? So a bear up here. We're going to come about right, let's see here. And I'll just give myself a point and I'll drag this across to about right there. So I know where I'm going and I'm just going to draw this big wide curve to fill up this space. To say about right here and then go back up. There, now it's complete. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come to the sides right here underneath the eye. And let's say about right here. I think it's easier for my hand to go this way. I'm going to draw the paw. So I'm going to draw a little curve right here. And bring it out. So it's kind of like drawing this little oval. Right about here. And then I'm just going to come right here and just draw 3 little curves for the paws. And you come in here lightly with some lines. And then let's do the same thing on the other side, right underneath the eye. So about right here. And once again, same thing. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm just approximating so I know how far to bring it down. So 2 and 3. And connect. And just once again, 2 little lines. Okay, so then now we have that. Let's come to the sides right here. And approximately right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve on both sides for the side of the body. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and I'm going to come about right here and we're going to draw a curve nice and big for the feet. So approximately, so I have this, I'm going to come back and okay, you know what? I'm sorry. Let's do this first. Let's go ahead and bring this curve in. So I'm going to bring this in. Just complete the foot first. I think it makes it easier to put in the strawberry. So just kind of imagining an oval. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to cut it off and bring it in. Just drawing this big curve. And then about right there, we're going to do the same thing on this side. I just want to make sure I end about the same level as the other side. So I'll give myself a point. And once again, bring it in. Just kind of leaving a center gap open right there. And let's go ahead and close it off. So let's say about right here. Just connect it with a curve. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, we're going to come back to about right here where the paw is, and we're going to draw this strawberry. So let's come down with a curve, and we're going to bring it towards the bottom, right here, and same thing here, approximately. So we want the strawberry to have a little bit more pointy towards the bottom. And connect to create that shape. And then at the top right here, we're going to draw the crown of our strawberry. So I'm going to go up in the center. So let's say about right here. Give myself a point and then draw 1 and 2. Same thing here. 1 and 2. Curves for the top of the strawberry. So then of course we need some seeds. So in the center area, I'm just going to lightly just draw a little oval. Maybe 2 on the sides and 2 more. There. Okay, so now that we have our strawberry, let's finish the feet. So whatever space you have left, just kind of close it up. And then right about here, I'm going to close it up again. Same thing here and here. So then to make sense of this, we're going to come about right here and draw a curve to finish up the oval for the foot. So same thing here. There. And of course, I will add a heart right here on the bottom instead of the Anirollz logo, and I'll put another one here as well. just so I can make this my Draw So Cute strawberry kitty roll from Anirollz. I really hope I helped you draw this cute cat fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.